So we want to solve number 55 and 11.6, which is this weird thing where we did the log twice to y and got 1. You guys all see that interpretation here? It's like I logged y twice, right? I logged y once, and then I logged the answer. That really means I kind of logged this thing twice. And I got 1 out of it.
But I couldn't figure out how to peel it.
Okay, so yeah, we should try to peel it, right? So how do I unlog something?
With
Yeah, I put it to the power of the base, right? The base in this case is e. So I apply the raise everything above an e function to both sides. So I get e to the log of y is e to the 1, which is just e, right? Okay. All right, now how about the left-hand side? Can I simplify that at all? Yeah, the e and one of the logs cancels, right? They undo each other. Right? They're a function and it's undoing. So I get log of y is e. Okay, now I got to do it again, right? Okay, see that? Before I started with log of some stuff was equal to a number, right? To undo the log, I did an e. So here again, I'm at log of some stuff is a number. So again, I should put everything in the exponent of an e to get rid of this logarithm. So that's, I'm raising everything to, or I'm putting everything in the exponent of an e again. So I'll get e to the log of y is, now the right side is going to be weird. E to the e. Yeah, does that cancel or something? No, it's just a weird ass number.
It's like 2 to the power 2.
Yeah, it's like 2.7 raised to the 2.7, right? So my best ballpark is that this is someplace between 4 and 27, closer to 27. Right? You guys see that? You're looking confused about the 4 and 27. E is someplace between 2 and 3, right? So this number is kind of, on the one hand, I could think about it as 2 to the 2, right? Which is 4. And I know this is too small. On the other hand, I know it's about 3 to the 3, which is 27. This is too big.
Well, wouldn't you be able to?
So it's got to be someplace in between. And I could cram this in a calculator if I wanted a better approximation. Right? But it's just a number. Okay?
Can we leave it e to the e? Or
And
do
you
want
should.
to? Oh, we should.
Yeah. Okay, so what about the left-hand side here?
Cancel log.
Yeah, the e and the log should undo each other, right? So what am I left with on the left?
Y is equal to
So I got y is e to the e. And I'm done with this. That's a number. Right? It's a weird number, kind of strange looking, but it's still just a number, right?
I got the answer, but I couldn't remember how to peel it.
Yeah, so the peeling on these, right, is when you've got a log and your variable's inside of it, you want to get it out, put everything in the exponent of an e. That'll cancel the logarithm. Really put everything in the exponent of the base, right? But in this case, the base is e. You guys cool with this? No. E to the e is a confusing and scary number.
The e, y equals e to the e, and this is a number. Oh, no, that's not a number. Those letters. But they're supposed to be numbered, and I don't like that. Wait, so
But pi, right? This guy? Is this a number or a letter in your head?
neither. It's a symbol.
Okay, so 1, it's a Greek letter.
Right.
2, it's also a number that's about 3.14, right?
So
That's
Same
so-
thing. The e is a number, a little bit like pi, right? It's one of these kind of funny transcendental numbers.
So how do you do it in the calculator?
Yeah, so if I want to do e to the e in the calculator,
But e isn't
I have
like
a-
set number.
I have a key for e to the thing, right? So I do e to the thing to the e to the thing, and then I need to give it a thing for the top. What's the exponent on the top e? 1. Remember, I had that 1 to start with, right?
Yeah.
So if I had tracked that 1 all the way through, it would be right here. What do you guys get for this? So what's y approximately?
15.15.
So was I right? Was it between 4 and 27? More towards 27?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was a little bit off with a more towards 27, right? It's pretty close to halfway. I was feeling like it should be a little further along, but multiplication's weird.
Yes.
You were feeling.
Yeah.
Cool?